This is not black oak. This is a shiny black. I don't know what this company is trying to sell with false advertising, but this does not look like the desks as black oak.
The only tip I can give you is make sure you match the holes to the right side of the sections you're connecting, and now you're gonna miss the other sections that you have to screw over as well. So make sure you're matching those dots, those holes in the right spot.
Este es el escritorio, tiene 3 formas para armar. Yo lo armé en esta posición. Está lindo.